Here's the Santa and sleigh in plywood with the rope light attached. The transformation will be going to a more user-friendly mesh tarp. Here's the framework for the mesh tarp, 3/4 EMT, pre-bent 90s, elbows and tees, available at your local convenience store, Home Depot or Lowe's. Makes an inexpensive structure. Here's the mesh tarp, 10 by 12 mesh tarp. Lots of tie wraps to tie wrap the rope light onto the mesh tarp. 10 by 12 mesh tarp runs about $20. UV resistant, so it will handle quite a few years of usage. And limitless designs can be installed on the mesh tarp. So here's the sleigh and Santa silhouette. Notice the rope light has been removed. This will give us our shape that we're after. You can use plywood, cardboard, paper, or just mark the mesh tarp with a marker to get the shape that you want. So here's the sleigh and Santa tie wrap to the mesh tarp installed on the framework. The square plates are aluminum brackets to stiffen the support structure so it's a little bit more rigid. The rope light is attached approximately 4 to 6 inches and a little bit tighter in the tight bends of the rope light. There's 3 layers of rope light. Even though it's clear colored, it actually is a red. And this is all traditional rope light. If you went with a neon rope light, you could just use 1 layer, as the neon is much brighter than the traditional rope light. So here we have a fully waterproof installation that's easily taken off. It's tie wrapped to the framework in various locations, and that'd be a simple matter of cutting the tie wraps, and then mesh tarp and the rope light will fold up for storage. Remember, we're only using these decorations for about 2 weeks out of a year. This is Xmasships.org out of Portland, Oregon. Here's up close on the rope light. The electrical will be routed to a central location. There's a few simple controllers that make the hand wave. This gives you an idea. There's the finished product. This gives you an idea what can be done with simple mesh tarp, tie wraps. Pretty much any structure, any design that you want can be implemented. So the hands aren't waving because there's no controller installed. This is just a simple video just to give you an idea how to do